If you want to run n8n the right way, fast, reliable, and without overpaying, this video is going to show you the best hosting options for n8n. I personally tested different VPS providers, and in this video, I'll break down the best overall n8n hosting, the cheapest way to run n8n, the best option for beginners versus advanced users, and how to get the lowest price possible. And if you want the best deals, I've included links in the description below to all the hosting providers mentioned in this video. And for Hostinger, I've added an exclusive discount on coupon code so you can get the lowest pricing possible. Quick disclosure, some of the links are affiliate links, which means I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. Let's get into it. Before choosing hosting, you need to understand this. n8n is a self-hosted automation tool, which means you can't run it on normal shared hosting. You need a VPS. At a minimum, you should have 1 to 2 gigabytes of RAM, full server access, ability to run Docker or Node.js. If you pick the wrong hosting, n8n will be slow, unstable, or not work at all. So choosing the right provider is key. The best option for most people right now is Hostinger VPS. Here's why. Very affordable pricing, fast performance with NVMe storage, beginner-friendly dashboard, easy server setup, reliable uptime. This is the best balance between price, performance, and ease of use. And one thing that makes Hostinger stand out is that you don't have to set everything up manually. If you want, you can use their n8n setup option, which basically gives you n8n pre-installed on your VPS so you can get started much faster without dealing with the technical setup. Or if you prefer more control, you can still go the manual route and install n8n yourself. If you're just getting started with n8n, this is 100% the option I recommend. And if you want the best pricing, check the Hostinger link in the description below. I've included the latest discount along with an extra coupon code so you get the lowest price possible. From there, you can choose your VPS plan or use the n8n setup option to get started faster. For most users, the second VPS plan is perfect, enough power to run multiple workflows without slowing down. If you want more control and performance, the next option is DigitalOcean. This is great if you're running a lot of workflows, you want full control over your server, you're comfortable with a slightly more technical setup, it's very reliable and scalable, but it's not as beginner-friendly as Hostinger. If you like DigitalOcean but don't want to deal with the technical setup, you can also run it through a managed platform like Cloudways, which makes things easier to manage. So I'd recommend this if you're more comfortable managing a server or planning to scale. If your main goal is to spend as little as possible, you can use Contabo. It gives you a lot of resources for a low price, cheap monthly plans, decent performance for basic usage, but there are trade-offs. Slower support, slightly less consistent performance. This is a great option if you're on a tight budget or just getting started with n8n. But for more demanding or long-term projects, I'd recommend going with something like Hostinger or DigitalOcean for better overall performance and reliability. Here's exactly what I recommend. If you want the easiest and best overall, go with Hostinger VPS. If you want maximum performance and control, go with DigitalOcean. If you want the absolute cheapest option, go with Contabo. But realistically, most people watching this should go with Hostinger. It's the best combination of everything. Once you get your VPS, here's what the setup looks like. Connect to your server, install Docker, deploy n8n, connect your domain, enable SSL. It sounds technical, but it's actually pretty straightforward. If you want the best n8n hosting deals available right now, check the links in the description below. I've included all the hosting providers mentioned in this video, along with the latest pricing, and for Hostinger, I've added an extra discount and coupon code so you can get the lowest price possible. That way, you're getting the best available deals, and not just the standard pricing with Hostinger. If you have any questions about n8n hosting, or which option you should choose, drop a comment below. I reply to everyone. And if you want more videos on automation tools, VPS hosting, and building online income systems, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.